In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix no sound on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's a few different things that we could go ahead and do. The first one is flip the physical silent switch on the left side of your iPhone, try and turn it on or off, because if it's on silent, that might be just why it's not working. So go ahead and press it again, and then you should see it basically show a ring, and then check if your sound works in whatever game you're playing. Next thing you want to do is swipe down on the top right of your screen, and this is going to be your control panel, and then just increase the volume slider because it might be muted, so just go ahead and turn it up. And also what you want to go ahead and do is on the top right where it says not playing, go ahead and click on that and make sure you're on iPhone speaker and you're not on any other device, maybe a Bluetooth device or a TV or anything like that. You want to make sure it's on iPhone speaker so that your audio is actually routing through your iPhone and not anything else. Now the final thing that you want to go ahead and do is open up your settings application, scroll all the way down to Face ID and passcode. It's going to ask you for your PIN whenever you go into here. And then what you want to do is go over to attention aware features. So that's going to be towards the bottom. And if you have that turned on, toggle it to off, and then you should be good to go.